Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your RAM. First, identify your computer's current RAM type and maximum capacity. This ensures you buy compatible new modules. Next, gather essential tools, typically just a Phillips head screwdriver. It's also wise to back up any critical data before you begin. Taking these initial steps will make the entire process much smoother and prevent potential issues. Now, let's get inside your computer. Begin by completely powering down your machine and unplugging all power sources. It's crucial to discharge any residual static electricity by touching an unpainted metal surface. Then, locate the screws holding your computer's side panel in place, usually 2 or 3. Remove these screws and carefully slide off the panel to reveal the internal components. With the case open, find the RAM slots on your motherboard, typically near the CPU. If you're replacing old RAM, gently push the clips on either side outwards to release the module. Now, take your new RAM, holding it by the edges, and align the notch on the module with the ridge in the slot. Press down firmly and evenly on both ends until the clips snap into place, securing the RAM. Repeat for any additional modules. Almost done. Carefully slide the side panel back onto your computer and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect all power cables and peripherals. Now, power on your computer. Once it boots up, check your system settings or task manager to confirm that the new RAM is recognized and the total memory matches what you installed. You should now experience improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.